This is a 12-pack of waterproof auto on and off solar light steps. I was sent a review from Niorsun and I am loving them. So let me show you a closer look. Comes with all kinds of mounting hardware, self-adhesives as well, the user's manual, and here they are. So many in here. We've got 12. Each one is a little triangle solar panel here, light here, mounting options on both sides as well as the back. So here's your on-off switch. Let's test it out. Ooh, it came lit. So to trigger it to come on, you want to have it on and then cover up the solar panel, because that is just going to come on automatically at dusk. I love that in a solar light. So important. You don't have to worry about turning them on and off. You just turn it on. It'll charge during the day and then it'll light up automatically at night. This one is brown. They do have some other colors, and then the same for the lights. They've got the warm and they've also got like a cooler blue light, but this is really powerful. Personally, I'm going to try not mounting them. I want to just sit them on my steps, and that way they will be flexible. I can move them around and see where I want them permanently, or just move them around as needed throughout the year. They're really flexible, so you can make sure that the light goes inward and that the sun is charging here. And then, so we've got it this way, facing in, and facing in over here. They are doing so great. They come on at dusk. They last through the night, I think. Seems like it. They're just gorgeous. I love it. Ours are quite wide, so they don't reach in the middle, but it's a really fun look. Even when I have the porch light on, they are still on, so that's nice to know. Love, love, love.